We had fan issues. We'll explain.
Zip ties are your new best friend, we learned. So this was a really good build. Still working on getting some more software. Currently I'm going to be working with Photoshop and Premiere, which will help you watch this video right now. And honestly, we jumped right to this. I still haven't bought Windows Office or anything. Yeah. Microsoft Office, sorry.
Probably the only other thing I'd have to say is just when you do make your computer, or even if you're just buying a computer, know what it's capable of. If you want to like be producing images or be working on like making games yourself or videos or just playing really high-end games, you have to know what the computer is actually capable of before you just jump into things like that.
Yes.
So definitely do your research. Every part of a computer is capable of something different, and it all comes together into a whole. So weakest link breaks the chain.
Yeah. Anyways, we're wrapping this up.
Ta-da! It's a computer.
Hope you enjoyed.
She's the computer.
I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something, because we certainly learned a couple things.
I forgot things. I didn't learn things.
Goodbye.